Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video too, and we're having a BMW 5 Series, guys. Okay, it could be any generation BMW 5 Series, but we'll demonstrate on BMW F10, which is the 5 Series from year 2010-2017. If you guys have noisy engine, okay, you hear like a knocking, rattling noises, guys, we will explain what additive can easily fix that. Stay with us, we will explain what we use here at the shop, how much we like it and all that stuff, and the results that we've seen. All that will be covered in this video today. If you need to buy any additives, tools, parts, and save quite a bit of money on parts for your BMW, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save quite a bit of money. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So let me explain what we have specifically here. I'm going to go ahead, open the hood on that BMW 5 Series now. And what can actually, guys, can cause noise rattles, guys. Older engines, okay, will eventually become noisier, okay, because valve lifters, guys, moving parts, things wear out a little bit. So eventually what will happen, guys, you will get a little bit noisier. Especially the valve lifters are the #1 thing on BMWs. Now right here, guys, this is a magical additive. I'm not kidding, guys. This is probably the best additive that we have used in our life. This is the Ceratec, guys, Leaky Moly, made in Germany. It is unbelievable, guys, okay, to the point that I started using it in almost every vehicle, even if it doesn't have, guys, okay, even if it doesn't have any noises, knocks or anything like that, because this one actually protects the engine from wear and tear, guys. Okay, you can put it in manual transmission as well, and it reduces the engine wear by 34% according to their study, guys. But when I put that thing, okay, I noticed that after driving the car, after one fuel tank, my car becomes extremely quiet. You will notice it sooner than that, okay, you will almost notice it immediately, but the results, all the way the results, guys, will be noticeable after one fuel tank, and you will be nicely surprised. Just follow the directions, it's amazing additive. Now, another thing that I used and works really good on higher mileage vehicles, guys, it's the Motor Oil Saver by Leaky Moly as well. If you have oil leaks, and BMWs, guys, this one has only 104,000 miles, it started developing already some minor oil leaks. You can see from the gaskets here underneath as well, and you know, there is probably no BMW that doesn't leak oil when they turn 100,000 miles, but that's every modern car nowadays practically, guys, because they have multiple gaskets. But that thing not only prevents oil leaks, fixes oil leaks, actually will reduce oil consumption, and it will make your engine super quiet as well. So I'll recommend this one as well, depending on the conditions. This one prevents wear and tear. This one kind of like even fixes more things. So check them out. I'll put the links in the description of the video below. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.